You have to shoo him out.
Where'd he at?
Get in the bathroom and shoo him out. Move your arms around or grab a towel or something.
I'm going to throw something at him.
Okay. All right, grab it. You need to come out here and get a pillow or a blanket. No, right there. Just get a blanket. Nothing's gonna happen.
Won't move.
It won't move?
No.
Oh, there we go. We got it. No, keep it going. Keep it going. He's in the sink. Get him out. Don't stand. You're standing in front of the door, sweetheart. Can you grab him?
I don't want to.
Honey, he's just like a chicken.
Okay, I'll grab him.
But you have to hold both wings very tight, just like you do a baby chicken, okay?
Oh, gosh. I'm sorry, Mom.
That's okay. You were just a little startled, but you can do it. I know you can. It's just like a baby chicken.
I got him.
Okay. Look. All right, now let's tell the world what you're doing.
I have a bird in my hands. I got it from it went in the fireplace. I got it out. Now I'm going to let it free.
All right, let's go.
Come on, birdie. Come here, birdie. Birdie. I'm going.
All right, take it out so the dogs go put it on the trailer or on the hood of my car.
I'm going to put this on the hood of her car. I'm going to save this birdie. Go free now. Bye-bye. Did you get that?
I got all of it.
Can I see?
Yeah.
I saved a bird. Yay, my first time.
All right. What is today? Saturday.
That's Saturday, April.
Something after you broke open your chin.
Yeah.